makes me wonder what word is coming true. I see the wayfarer just blowing up below, and I see the auction hammer sailing off the zone. And the banks are made of marble with a guard at every door, and the bolts are made of silver that the Lord is waiting for. I see the way miner scrubbing foam from his bed. I heard his children crying, but not cold to heat the shed. But the banks are made of marble with a guard at every door, and the bolts are stuffed with silver that mine is waiting for. I see my brothers working for half of my land. I pray we'll get together and together make a stand. And when mine on those banks marble with a guard at every door, and when mine share those gold silver that we have us waited